Today, Louis Tricard is far more representative of South Africa's racial mix. And many of the Afrikaners, who own most of the best farmland around the town, now feel under threat. Crime has rocketed here in recent years, and white farmers have been targeted. I met Gideon Mering, a former apartheid-era military officer, who now heads a union of local white farmers and runs what he calls Town Watch.
Hello there. This is Fast. He's founder of Simon. He's from the Town Watch. He's also involved with our training.
Town Watch?
Yeah. Right. Litrichard Town Watch, for example. Previously, there was a hell of a lot of crime in Litrichard, and after the involvement, it's down by about 95%.
So you run to the security patrols, do you?
Yeah.
Well, this is quite...
That is a typical battle jacket.
A battle jacket? Yeah. Can I take it off?
Yeah, you can.
So this is what is this what your guys wear?
Yes, 100%.
This is on a lady at the moment.
Yeah.
It'll probably fit on me. I'm a slender thing. Oh, I feel a bit more macho in this. I feel a bit Rambo. What is that?
That's a...
Is this a stun gun?
Yeah.
We don't need to see it tested. Well, we could try. Gideon could probably take the shot. Whoa!
Quite serious, eh?
We're not allowed to have...
While there is undoubtedly a huge crime problem in South Africa, I began to suspect that Gideon's concerns run a little deeper.
The Boer is here om te bly.
Yeah.
The Boers are here to stay. Okay. You're going to do some shooting.
Gideon took us to the outskirts of town. He wanted to show us how prepared he and his people are for any eventuality.
I'll say.
Oof. Okay, they're dead. They're really dead now. When do you need, or why do you need to have an AK-47? When would you need it?
If you talk about the courses, we train the people to handle an AK-47 because the people who attack farmers on their farms from time to time make use of AK-47s, R4, automatic rifles, shotguns or whatever.
You basically want to have a bigger gun?
You must be in a position to handle that weapon and to return fire accurately.
Okay, so some more bullets have come.
Good.
It might surprise you.
Okay,
Hold it steady.
Bloody hell.
Hold it in.
Thank you.
Okay, hang on.
Hey, wait here.
Mind the dog. Come out of the way, dog.
Right, Roddy.
Bloody hell. What's a little bit worrying is, for me, is how you do I get a rush from it, and I feel it does make me feel powerful,
yeah,
actually,
and that's the
briefly
problem.
powerful.
Yeah. Yes.
Whew. I just shot an AK-47. Would you ever have had to have your sort of self-defense organisation in the old days before the end of apartheid? Would you ever have needed to do it then?
I think it's a bit more dangerous now because at that stage we have had everything behind us, the laws, the money, everything, the organizations. But today we are on ourselves.
Fueling the insecurities of people like Gideon is what's happened in neighbouring Zimbabwe, where many white farmers have had their lands forcibly seized by the government.